Looking at the euro dollar here today on the daily time frame, you can see that price has been on the soaring expectation of good things for the euro to come. Uh, you can see that price has been moving up here from a technical analysis standpoint. Right now we are looking at a nice little pullback in my mind, here in the daily demand zone from 117.14 all the way down to 116.12. So that's what we're seeing happen this weekend. Again, I would like to see a retest of the highs all the way up here. We just completely saw price crater through previous resistance here to the upside. Again, really pointing to a very strong euro dollar. So as this market continues to soar to the upside, I think this is a really nice looking pullback. I like to see the retest of the highs this coming week and a nice little check mark trade, if you will. And that's kind of what I'm looking at here on the big daily time frame. And again, this stuff is more swing trade type of perspective, just so you know. And here on the hourly time frame, you can see the levels that have been playing out as far as support and resistance goes. Inside that big daily time frame zone that we've had form, you can see price bouncing down here at the low inside that big daily time frame. I gave it another little bounce off the daily time frame demand zone. Now it's looking like we're going to come back up here into resistance here on the hourly time frame at 118.055 all the way up to about 118.24. Okay, so that's where I'm looking to see price go right now. And again, the euro dollar has just been on a soaring type of flying high type of motion. So I'm again thinking that price is going to come all the way back up here into brand new fresh resistance slash supply. I don't think this level is going to hold overall, but only time will tell. And overall this whole week, I'm just looking for price to go up, up, and away. Looking at the euro pound here on the daily time frame, I'm looking for this market to continue to soar to the upside as well. If we look at the highs from 2013, you can see that's roughly where we're at over here. We have some supply right around in this area. All right, so I can draw it like that. And now that's the big supply from way back when. All right, now we've slowly been chewing through that. All right, we've had a few different bounces off of this level here, and now we're starting to slowly chew through that level yet again here. So I'm looking for this market to go to the upside as well. And as you can see here, the high is at 92.27. That's the high from 2013, and I think that's where we're going to be going over the course of this week. As we move down into the hourly time frame, let's go ahead and zoom down there just a little bit. You can see that we have the buyers really stepping in to support themselves and to support price. We have a brand new fresh daily demand zone being formed here, and before price actually got back down to the daily demand zone, the bulls stepped in and bought it yet again, and now we see ourselves retesting those highs. So this is kind of a decision point in this market overall, just because we have to decide whether it's going to go higher into this overall supply zone or not. So far the trend is up. No reason to believe that price is going to fail here. However, it could. All right, so it is a possibility. So if you're looking for that counter trend trade, this could be the area to find that. All right, so make sure that you have price action leaving the zone. Don't try to pick the pinnacle or the apex of this move to the upside, because I just don't think it's wise. But look for the wave to start coming back down into the mean before you really sell this area if you're going to be a seller up here. We are at the areas of high, but the trend is up, so I'm going to bank on the trend more so than I am on this level. And again, this daily zone has been hit several times in the past, so I feel like it's weak. Therefore, I don't think that this level is going to hold, and we're going to continue to see movement to the upside here on the euro pound.